Hazrat Abida says, if the donor dies, the donation will be separated, and if the donee is alive, it will be for his legatees, and if it has not been separated, it will be for the legatees of the donor. Hasan Basri says, whosoever dies between these two, it will be for the donee's heirs, provided the messenger has taken it in his possession. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu narrates that the Prophet ﷺ said to me, if the wealth from Bahrain reached, I will give you such an amount. He ﷺ repeated it thrice, that riches did not reach till the Prophet ﷺ's demise. So Hazrat Abu Bakr commanded a herald to announce. So he announced, whom did the Prophet ﷺ promise, or to whom did he ﷺ owe money, should come to us. So I went to him and said, the Prophet ﷺ promised me, so he gave me 3 handfuls of money. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2598.